Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel OzonePrivacy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about supervised learning demo video. I already explained about artificial intelligence and machine learning in detail. I'll give the video link in the description. Do check it out. In short, supervised learning means we can train the model with input plus correct output, appropriate output. By this, it can predict the output for new inputs easily. In this example, I am using Python program and Google Colab to run the program. In this example, I give a small dataset with 2 columns, number of hours the students study, and they get pass or fail. We'll begin by importing the library, Pandas. It helps us to handle the data like an Excel sheet. Train test. It helps to divide our data into training and test sets. Logistic regression. It is the supervised machine learning algorithm. We can use it to classify whether a student will pass or fail. And last, Matplotlib library. It is for drawing graphs so we can visualize how the model works. Now it's the time to create a small data set. We have 2 columns, hours studied and pass or fail. Hours studied was our input and pass or fail was our output label. Here 0 means fail and 1 means pass. This is called the label. Then after that, we separate the data into 2 parts, X and Y. X is the input, which is how many hours the students study. Y is the output, whether they passed or failed, so that the model will learn the relationship between these. In this step, we split our data into training and test. Training data is used by the model to learn the pattern. Testing data is used later to check how well the model works on unseen data. This makes sure our model isn't just memorizing, but actually it's learning. Now we can create our machine learning model using logistic regression. When call the FRIT, the model starts learning from the training data. It tries to draw a boundary between pass and fail based on the hours they studied. Like I already said, logistic regression is a supervised machine learning algorithm. It is used to predicting the probability of 2 outcome events, such as yes or no. After training, we can test the model on the test data. Here, the model makes prediction about whether the student pass or fail based on the study hours it hasn't seen before. At last, these steps are used to visualize everything in graph. Let's test it with a new example. If a student studies 2.5 hours, the model needs to predict it as fail, which means it needs to result as 0. The graph shows the model's prediction based on our dataset. As the result, it provides 0 for 2.5 hours of study based on the data we given. 0 means fail. Likewise, we can able to train the model with dataset of correct input and output. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you.